Joe Beermeister. We have a kitchen here that had a leak, and we opened the ceiling where it was dripping, and we found that it's not dripping there, but instead it is dripping over in this area, and it's a lead pipe. And what I did was cut it off. It runs through the rafter, and there were some nail holes in this lead pipe. And what I did was I soldered them. I ground it, used flux, and used lead solder. And then what I'm going to do here, now I don't know if this is an approved repair, but this is what I'm doing. Then I'm going to put a little seam sealer on there, automotive seam sealer, and then I'm going to put one of these couplers over that area. And then I'm going to reconnect it on both ends with one of these 1 1/4 connections. Now, there's no 1 1/4 PVC that I could find, so that's why I decided to reuse this. And I'm sure it's not a approved repair, but that's what I'm doing, and we're going to see how it goes. It's waterproof seam sealer. The whole rest of the pipe looks like it's in great condition. Somebody, when they did the floor, knocked some nails a little hard, and it's been rubbing on the nails, and it finally gave. So we're going to do this and give it a shot. And I think we're going to be okay for a while. Like I said, it's not an approved repair, but let's take a shot. Alright, so I got that on. Now I'm going to slide one on each end. Up there. See what happens. Got one on both ends. So there it is. Everything's together. It's working good. We got the tub running. Put a little seam sealer with those sleeves. Bada bing. We're going to leave it open for a week, see if it holds. Saved about $1,000 in plumber's bill. Now I got to fix the drywall. Joe Beermeister. Amazing repair.